Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by enabling the YouTube Data API v3 in your Google Cloud project, then create credentials. Once done, choose OAuth for uploads or an API key for public reads and install the client library that matches your stack. Now, test a simple GET request with curl or the client. Request channel data to confirm credential validity. Make sure to restrict keys and set authorized redirect URIs. This prevents accidental misuse and speeds troubleshooting when tokens fail. You must implement the OAuth 2. Zero flow correctly, request minimal scopes such as YouTube, read-only or YouTube. Upload. Once authorized, construct API calls with the client library, videos. List to read videos, insert to create. For uploads, choose multipart for small files and resumable for large media. Resumable handles network interruptions. Also, check quota costs per endpoint to avoid sudden quota exhaustion. Batch non-critical calls, cache responses locally, and back off on 429 to stay within limits and ensure reliability. You complete integration by parsing API responses and persisting resource ID and ADAGs for updates. Next, implement robust error handling. Treat 4xx errors as client-side fixes and retry 5xx errors with exponential backoff. Make sure refresh tokens are stored securely and rotate credentials before expiry. Finally, deploy with monitoring enabled. Log quota usage and failures. If something breaks, first check quota and OAuth consent issues. Often a missing scope or expired token is the root cause and the fastest fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.